During the Battle of the Ardennes, communication lines were constantly cut by shelling and advancing forces. One signalman from the division stationed near the town of Bastogne repeatedly went into exposed areas to reconnect field telephone wires. He worked in freezing conditions, often crawling through snow to avoid snipers, restoring links between forward units and headquarters. These lines carried artillery requests and troop movements essential to the defense. His repairs kept coordination intact during some of the coldest days of the siege, contributing significantly to the division's ability to hold the town until relief forces arrived.